In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Transcript from Otter AI. By the end, you'll have a shareable link to your transcript that you can drop into an email, a document, or any workspace your team uses. I'll walk you through each click and add a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, head to otter.ai in your browser. Once you're on the site and viewing your workspace, locate the transcript you want to export. You can open it from your recent conversations or search for the title if you have a lot of files. When the transcript opens, you'll see its content along with options along the top bar. Look toward the upper right area and click the Share button. This opens a sharing panel where you control who can see or collaborate on the transcript. If you want specific teammates to work with you inside Otter, you can add their names or email addresses here to send an invite. This is helpful when you want others to comment, highlight, or help clean up the text directly in Otter. Next, check the link access setting in the same panel. It typically starts as restricted, which means only people you invite can access it. To make exporting easier, change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. This creates a secure, shareable link that doesn't require manual invites. So keep in mind that anyone who gets this link can view it, so only share it with people you trust. After switching the access, confirm it now shows anyone with the link. If you see an option to control whether people can view or edit, choose view only if you don't want the content changed. This keeps the transcript intact while still making it easily accessible. Now click Copy Link. Otter will copy the unique URL to your clipboard, and you'll usually see a quick confirmation. The hard part is done. Your transcript is now ready to share. Finally, paste the link wherever you want to export it. You can drop it into an email thread, a chat message, a project doc, a calendar invite, or your learning system. If you're sending it to a large group, consider adding a short note so readers know what the link contains. A quick tip: test the link in a private browser window to confirm the access works the way you expect. And that's all it takes. You've gone from opening your transcript to creating and sharing a link in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.